Welcome to this session on mathematics using Excel. Topic for this session is how to find determinant using Excel. Now we are aware about how to find determinant manually, but our focus is here how to get it with the help of Excel. As we are aware that the value will be reflected in single cell, our job is to go for a cell where we would like to show the answer. And in that cell, we will put the function in place. So basically, first to find a determinant, we need one matrix. Let us have a matrix A. Let me zoom in so that it will be visible clearly. Okay, we have got two matrices. Let us go for matrix A first. Matrix A, it's a 2 by 2 matrix. Simple matrix is taken for simplicity learning purpose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I would like to show the determinant value here. So I will go to that cell. I will put equal sign. By this, it recognizes this as a formula. What to type? MDETERM is the function for getting the determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix. So the function starts with M. M for matrix, DETERM for determinant. So go to one cell, click equal sign, put MDETERM as the function, open the bracket. It says array. Means what? Select the matrix for which you would like to find the determinant. Select it, close the bracket. As the answer will be in single cell, it is not mandatory to use Control Shift Enter. You can, otherwise single enter will help to get the answer. So once I click enter, I am getting the answer for determinant of the given matrix A. Let me show it again. I have gone to one cell where I would like to show the answer. Click equal to sign, put the function in place, MDETERM, matrix determinant, open the bracket, select the given matrix A, close the bracket and hit the enter button to get the answer. So determinant of matrix A is -2. Let us understand how to do it for matrix B. Whatever may be the order, procedure remains the same. Now here also B is 2 by 2. Let me go to this cell to show the answer is equal to, I'm putting the function in place, MDETERM, matrix determinant. Excel will suggest you the functions. So you can see below what I have typed, there is a function readily available. We can double click on it or just open the bracket after typing the function. Select the matrix for which determinant is required, close the bracket, hit enter button to get the answer. By chance, here for both matrices, determinant is -2, -2. We'll see a couple of more matrices for determinant. All those who are following with me for this session can solve this simultaneously while I'm doing it. Determinant is a simple term to calculate using Excel. Excel helps us to save our time, energy, and steps for getting the answer. And Excel helps us to go for bigger sums, bigger data for solving. Okay, so let me go ahead with another sum. Let's say a 4 by 4 matrix, matrix P and matrix Q. There are two matrices in front of us. Let us go for determinant of both one by one. So let me write it here. Determinant of P is equal to, put equal to sign. I'm writing it in a different cell. Wherever we have to write answer, we should not write anything else than the function. So determinant of P is here. So my interest is to show answer here in this cell. So is equal to MDETERM is equal to MDETERM, open the bracket, select the matrix P as we are finding determinant of matrix P, close the bracket, click enter to get the answer. I will show it for determinant of Q also. Is equal to MDETERM, which is the function for determinant of a matrix. Select the matrix Q, close the bracket, hit enter to get the answer. Now this was about how to get determinant of a matrix. Additional few sums for practice are also available. Determinant of C and D. Reference answers are also given, provided. Now this is all about how to get a determinant using Excel. Determinant of a matrix using Excel, where the function is MDETERM. MDETERM.